Apple Vision Pro. Today is the day, and my, what a day it's been already. 7 a.m. bright and early, I was at the Apple store on 5th Avenue for launch day, and we were greeted by none other than Tim Cook. Those who were first in line got to enter early and all got selfies with Tim. And soon after, the first customer came out with his Vision Pro. After getting selfies with Tim, I headed over to my own Apple store here in Williamsburg and picked up my own Vision Pro. And today, we're going to unbox it. Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the interesting people I get to meet along the way. So, if you're an Apple fanboy, give this channel a like and subscribe, and I'll help you find the right gadget to match your needs. This is our Apple Vision Pro unboxing. What a big box. Nothing in here. There she is, Apple Vision Pro. Nice and soft. Lift this up. Designed by Apple in California packet. And inside, paperwork and a polishing cloth. And it even says Vision Pro on it. Next up, looks like it's a packet that says Vision Pro on it. And inside, this looks like a manual. Nice. Next up, the light seal cushion. And there are two orange arrows over here, so I guess we have to pull. Nice and soft. And this is the part that goes in front of your face like this. And this is actually what you size when you order Vision Pro. How do I look? Next up, the dual loop band. Wow, it almost is reminiscent of an Apple Watch band. Definitely, probably very similar weaving techniques. As you can see here, I'm a medium and there are instructions on how to set it up. Good news, there is a charger in the box. 30-watt adapter to be exact. It also comes with a braided USB-C cable. And last but not least, the battery pack. Pretty hefty. And that's it. Before we continue, a brief message from this video's sponsor. We first saw Dreamy's X30 Ultra last January at CES 2024. It was a head turner. The dock has gold accents and a ribbed texture, definitely unlike any other robot vacuums we've seen before. But there's more than meets the eye when it comes to this robot. It's one of the most powerful robot vacuums we've tested so far, with 8,300 pascals of suction power. If you have long hair or live with someone who does, Dreamy's anti-tangled tri-cut brush will cut hair strands wrapped around the brush so you don't have to. The X30 Ultra uses Mop Extend technology. The mop twists out and extends so it can clean the edges and corners of a room and around the feet of your furniture. When it's done vacuuming and mopping, it goes back to its dock, and this is what makes cleaning truly hands-free.
Start auto empty.
It automatically empties the dustbin into a 3.2-liter bag that can hold up to 75 days worth of dirt. While docked, it also cleans the mop pads with hot water and then dries them afterwards with hot air to prevent mold and mildew buildup. The dock has two water bins, one for clean water and another for storing all that dirty water from washing the mop pads. Tucked in here beside the dust bag is a small container that dispenses the cleaning solution. The X30 Ultra then automatically mixes it with the water when it's mopping. All of this, by the way, can be customized on the Dreamy Home app. If you have carpets and rugs, you'll love the dedicated carpet settings. There's Mop Raise, which automatically stops water release and raises the mop pads when it detects carpets. My favorite, though, is Mop Detach, which is great if you have high-piled rugs. And with its combination of sensors and AI, it will intelligently clean around your furniture and other common household obstacles found on the floor, like shoes or some cables. If you want all-in-one hands-free cleaning, the Dreamy X30 Ultra retails for $1699.99, but if you pre-order now, Dreamy is offering an early bird promo, bringing the pre-order price down to $1240.99. I'll put links in the description box below. Thank you, Dreamy, for sponsoring this video. Now let's take a closer look at Vision Pro. First, we have to remove this protective cover over here. There are straps on each side, so you just pull on one, and it comes off just like that. Yeah, it looks like a sleeping mask. Wow, this looks so good. I can't wait to put it on. One last thing we need to remove, just tug on these ends. And there she is. Shall we put it on? How do I look? Shall we take a look at the parts? Up top, there's a button on the left and a digital crown on the right. This over here is where you connect the battery pack. By the way, this isn't MagSafe. To connect, you want to align the dots, so look for that circle over there. Press down and then twist to that filled-in circle. The charger is basically a power bank, and you can plug it in via this USB-C port over here. This over here is the audio strap. Built into it are audio pods so that you can hear music or videos that you're watching. There's also a dial right here, which you can use to tighten. Now to swap the loop bands, it's very easy. All you have to do is find the orange tab and pull, just like that. Let's flip this around and then just pull on the other side to release. And let's replace it with this one. You just push that in like you would a button. This is gonna mess my hair up. I'm gonna loosen it first. While I've been 20/20 most of my life, I actually have a really small prescription, and recently I also started using readers for, looking at things up close. So I ordered ZEISS lenses to go with my Vision Pro. Let's go ahead and see how that looks like. As always, look for the arrow and pull. Vision Pro and ZEISS. It's a collab between Apple and lens manufacturer ZEISS. Precision Optics by Apple and ZEISS. And when you slide it open, Vision Pro and ZEISS. And then when you open it up, there's a QR code. We've got a manual over here, and those are my custom ZEISS inserts for Vision Pro. Let's take them out. That's the right, that's the left, as you can see there. And to make it easier to film, I've removed the loop band. I'm gonna remove this as well so that you can see better. And now all you have to do is drop them in. They attach magnetically. They're also easy to remove. So maybe someone else wants to use them in guest mode. You can just take them out like so. Next up is the Vision Pro travel case, and it doesn't come in a box, but it looks like it already comes in what I can only describe as a rain jacket. Soft and squishy, like a marshmallow. And then we unzip. The travel case is lined in this soft fabric inside, very similar to that polishing cloth. Nice and velvety. And what do we have here? Packing instructions. Very nice. This is probably where you put the battery pack. And over here on this side, soft pouch. Oh, that's so nice. It's the same fabric on the outside. The charger, the polishing cloth, the USB-C cable all go in here. Now it's time to pack. First, make sure you have the cover on your Vision Pro. You don't want to scratch that front glass. Put it down here. And then you want to lift on this tab and then push it inward, press down. And so now Vision Pro is snugly in there. There's space over here, so cable goes in, charger, and polishing cloth. We're done with the right side. Now for the left side, open up the strap and then place in your battery pack like so. There's a slot over here for the cable, and then you're gonna want this to loop around like so, and we can just have it in there like that. so it doesn't jiggle around. That should be good. Now it's time to close. We're ready to go on a trip. Because Vision Pro is a device unlike any other before, we have plenty of videos planned. This particular video will be specifically an unboxing and a setup video, and then later we'll do other fun stuff. I've tested Vision Pro before, but this is the first time I'm going to use something that I actually own. So let's hold over here, pull the strap over. Now I have to press and hold on the digital crown to align, it says. There you go. And now, the Apple logo. I can now see my studio. Hello in cursive. And then it says, press the digital crown to begin. Hello disappears. And then I see, actually hello in other languages right now. Kind of want to just sit here and watch as well. But these are characters that I do not recognize. Okay, still a foreign language. I'm gonna press the digital crown to begin. I can also triple click the top button for accessibility options. Bring iPhone or iPad nearby to get started. Got it right here. The iPhone automatically detects its presence. So it says set up Apple Vision Pro. Just unlock. It says waiting for Apple Vision Pro. And it says look here. So basically I can see a QR code almost with Vision Pro in the middle. I think it's scanned. It says continue setting up on Apple Vision Pro. There's a circle and a check. I think I can put my phone away. Okay, so I'm watching a video right now and it's a tutorial. It's telling me that I can navigate with my eyes and use my fingers to select. Okay, so very quick. Now we're going to set up Vision Pro for our eyes and our hands. It says press the digital crown to set up your eyes and hands. So I'm going to press. It says look at your hands to set up and then flip your hands over. And setup complete. One thing interesting to point out is even if my hands are in the air and it's just touching the air, I can actually get some sort of haptics based on a combination of the animation and the audio. So when I lift up my hands and it finishes scanning, I can almost like feel something happening. Okay, now we're gonna do an eye test. It says select all the dots around the circle, and it basically wants me to do it with my eyes. Look at each dot and tap. Now select the dots around the circle. So basically I look at a dot and then I just tap to select. I'm gonna do it again. Select more dots, okay. One more time in brighter lighting. So it gets brighter and brighter. Now it's a really bright white screen. Earlier it was like a dark black screen. Completing eye setup. Okay, Persona Beta. Capture how you'll appear in FaceTime and other calls and personalize eyesight. Okay, so I'll set it up later. Optic ID. So I guess Optic ID for Vision Pro is what Face ID is for the iPhone, and you can use it to say pay for an app that I'm purchasing on Vision Pro. And then now we want to create a passcode. I just remembered, sorry, I'm giggling because halfway through entering a passcode, I started to panic because I thought that Chai could see my passcode, and then I realized she can't really see what I'm doing right now.
Daddy, chill.
Choose a Wi-Fi network, okay. I have a keyboard right here in front of me. How silly do I look, Chai? Very normal. Okay, she says I look very normal. It may take a few minutes to activate your Apple Vision Pro. 3, safety, a reminder, stay aware of your surroundings. Apple Vision Pro reveals your space but may not detect all hazards and objects like stairs or furniture. Use in safe areas, never wear while operating a moving vehicle. And then take frequent breaks. Stop using Apple Vision Pro immediately if you experience discomfort or motion sickness. Apple Vision Pro is designed to fit and be used by individuals 13 years of age or older. Okay.
Moments later.
Oh, I didn't even have to like sign into my Apple ID because it used my phone earlier. So this is basically just like setting up an iPhone. You set up optical ID instead of Face ID. You add your cards to your wallet, and then appearance. How do you like your Apple Vision Pro content? I think large is good for me. Look up at the top of your view and tap. Oh, I have Control Center as well. Look at the dot and tap it to close the window. Oh, there you go. Now it says welcome. Earlier it said hello, now it says welcome. And then finally, we can press the digital crown to open home. This is horrifying. I have 5,500 unread emails. Up there it says Discover Vision OS apps. There's Disney Plus, Relax with a 3D Puzzle, Stargazer from a Skyscraper, Jig Space, Blackout for Vision, DJ app and AI Mixer. Microsoft Essentials are also here for Vision Pro. So you have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams. Oh, more Apple Arcade games made for Vision Pro. Lego Builder's Journey. Yes, I love that. They said there weren't a lot of apps, but there's already a good amount of them. By the way, there is already an update available for Vision Pro if you get them on day one. Here's a quick tip. Whether you're lifting your Vision Pro or putting it on, you don't want to hold on to this part because you can actually pull it apart. I recommend hold it here and then you grab this, stretch it, and pull it over your head. And that was our Apple Vision Pro unboxing and setup. Guys, we have the weekend booked for work. There are a lot more videos coming your way, so make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. If you have any questions, leave them for me on social media or down in the comment section below. And for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.